Hello everyone. This is an introduction to your unit, which is called Structure and Creativity. This will be unit number 4, and you should have this document, the student document, in front of you. Let's get started. Students will be investigating the following statement of inquiry. An author can bring a character to life through structure and creativity. Now come down and it says, what do you think this statement means? Rewrite it in your own words or give an example, and you'll respond here. To better understand the statement of inquiry, we'll go through some of the definitions. The first definition is capability. Capability means the power or ability to do something. The next definition is for the word structure, something arranged in a definite pattern or organization. Now do some vocabulary practice with those two terms. 100 years ago, what would be something that most people would have thought beyond human capability that has since been achieved? And usually you're thinking something with technology here. So think about 100 years, what they didn't have that now we do have. And secondly, copy and paste a picture of your favorite playground structure and paste it here. And then we'll get that idea of structure, which is a pattern or organization of the playground. For the inquiry questions, think about these questions as we go through the unit. Conceptual question, how do authors create a character, and how do authors create a story's plot? And you can just figure that out how you think it works and write that answer here. And again, this is just you thinking this, you don't have to look anything up. To what extent does the audience have to like a character to enjoy a story? For learner profile focus, there's 2 different learner profiles here, and I want you to highlight which of these profiles you feel you would improve on the most. So you're either going to highlight thinkers, which is we exercise initiative in applying critical thinking skills creatively to recognize and approach complex problems, or if you think you need to improve on communicating, then you can highlight this part. Communicators, we understand and express ideas and information confidently and creatively in more than one language. We work effectively and willingly to collaborate. Now we'll look at what the actual summative assessment will be for this unit. By the end of the unit, students will demonstrate their understanding of the statement of inquiry by completing the following task. This is called the grasp. The goal is to show that an author can bring a character to life through structure and creativity. The role is you are an aspiring author. The audience will be Suzanne Collins, who is the author of The Hunger Games. The situation, you want to write and sell a story that's a prequel to The Hunger Games. And the product will be to create a storyboard of the plot for your sequel in the form of a slideshow. So you're not writing out the whole story, but you will be writing out the plot structure for it. And for the only criteria for this is producing text. With one strand, produce text that demonstrate thought and imagination while exploring new perspectives and ideas arising from personal engagement with the creative process. So have fun with this unit.